Hey, what is up, guys? So the history is created by ZTE Axon with the first under-display camera in quest for a full-screen smartphone. The selfie camera proved to be business obstacle node shrink, and we could punch hole pop-up and flipping workaround, but it was only a matter of time before we get an under-display solution. Several makers are working on the tech, but today ZTE introduced its Axon 25G, the first commercially ready smartphone with an in-under display selfie camera, being the first its kind of bring plenty of bargaining right, but also required a whole new approach to the screen assemble process. One of the big problems with the past under display camera so far was insufficient light reaching the sensor resolution, resulting in a poor image quality. In addition, there was a noticeable brightness and color difference in the area where the camera was positioned compared to the rest of the display. The first hardly was solved with the special film coating on the screen lace, which is highly transmittive and transparent. The 32 megapixel selfie camera on the Axon 20 also comes with its own light prescription sensor, which regulates the amount of light needed for each scenario. In addition, ZTE reworked the pixel arrangement around the camera lens so it's matched the rest of the display without any noticeable color distortion. Lastly, a new processing algorithm optimized image clarity. The Axon 20 come with a 6.92-inch OLED display with a support FHD plus resolution and 90 Hz refresh rate. It also comes with a 10-byte color output and 20.5:9 aspect ratio, as well as embedded fingerprint reader. Around the back, we have a quad camera era handling by 64 megapixel primary shooter. The auxiliary sensor are an 8 megapixel ultra wide snapper and two 2 megapixel unit for deep data and micro shoots. The phone is powered by the upper mid-range Snapdragon 765G chipset with a 6 or 8 gigs of RAM and 128 and 256 gigabytes of memory. There is a 4220 mAh battery with a 30-watt fast charging, while the software front is covered by the ZTE Mapfare 10.5 on the top of the Android 10. The ZTE Axon 25G will be available in black, white, purple, and an orange color, with official sales in China scheduled for September 10. The base 6 gigs 128 gig storage trim goes for the Chinese yuan 2,198 yuan, equal $322. There is also an 8 gigs and 128 gig model for Chinese yuan 2,498 yuan, equal $366, and 8 gigabytes and 256 gigabytes of version for the Chinese yuan 2,798 yuan, equal $410. International availability was not detailed at this event, but we hope to hear more about in the future. So this is officially the world first phone with under display camera, ZTE Axon 20, the 5G. Pricing is not high, but the technology is new. The under display camera is a great thing because you don't need a notch and don't need a flipping or pop-up camera. So this is a whole new thing. Let me know in the comment section, are you like this type of smartphone, and are you want to this smartphone? Because anyone and everyone want to test this new technology smartphone. Let me know in the comment section, and also like this video, subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.